It's the year 2896, and the Universal Peace Edict has been issued between the citizens of Kingston and the lizard people, creating a harmonious realm filled with divine, conscious, intelligent energy. The Supreme Being, Sane Carter, subconsciously explains to King Cartel that the secret to their collective success lies in intellectual networking, encouraging the creation of small visions that contribute to a much larger goal. Just then, a massive earthquake rocks Montego Bay, leading to the mysterious appearance of a ninja enveloped in bright lights before vanishing. When the dust settles, a scroll is left behind, along with a bullet, time-stamped from the year 1988, leaving King Cartel in disbelief. As King Cartel stands there in shock, he studies the scroll, intrigued by the ancient symbols and the time-stamped bullet that connects him to a pivotal moment in history. The air is thick with tension as he realizes that this message from the past may hold the key to unifying their worlds and overcoming the challenges that lie ahead. With every intricate detail of the scroll revealing secrets long hidden, King Cartel feels a surge of hope coursing through him. He turns to his advisors, determined to unlock the wisdom left behind and confront the shadows of their past. With the ninja watching closely from afar, history begins its delicate dance with destiny, poised to change the future of Kingston forever. As the advisors exchange ideas, a plan starts to take shape, merging ancient wisdom with modern strategy. Meanwhile, the ninja focuses on harnessing their skills, determined to ensure that the secrets from the past will lead to a brighter future for both their worlds. The path ahead is fraught with danger, but the power of unity gives them strength as they prepare for the challenges that await. With the city cloaked in darkness, King Cartel resolves to lead his people into an age of enlightenment, driven by the newly discovered knowledge. As the ninja glides through the forest, they know that their role is crucial in this unfolding saga, as shadows loom ever closer to threaten the peace they strive to maintain. Each step taken brings them closer to an inevitable confrontation that will determine the balance between light and darkness. As the ninja stands firm against the encroaching shadows, they sense the weight of destiny on their shoulders. The ancient temple vibrates with energy as old rivalries come to a head. Meanwhile, King Cartel's determination deepens, realizing that every decision counts in this fight for survival. Their combined fates are intertwined, setting the stage for a decisive clash that could alter the course of history. With each strike, the ninja demonstrates unparalleled agility and skill, pushing back against the darkness that threatens to engulf them. In the heart of Kingston, King Cartel ignites the spirit of unity, calling upon his people to rise together, their hearts beating in sync with the hope of a brighter tomorrow. As the battle intensifies, the lines between hero and villain blur, revealing deeper truths hidden within their struggle. In an electrifying moment, the ninja taps into their deepest reserves of power, unleashing a force that sends shockwaves through the temple, turning the tide of the battle. As King Cartel's voice rings out with fervor, the people of Kingston unite under a common cause, transforming fear into courage. Together they step forward into an uncertain future, ready to confront whatever comes next and reclaim their destiny. As silence falls over the temple, the ninja basks in their hard-fought victory, knowing that this battle is just the beginning of a greater journey. Ahead, King Cartel fosters a renewed sense of purpose within his community, sharing dreams of a united future where hope prevails. With every heart inspired, they stand ready to face the challenges that lie ahead, emboldened by the courage found in each other. With the portal inviting them into the unknown, the ninja feels a pull toward destiny, knowing that more adventures await beyond the horizon. Back in Kingston, King Cartel and his team prepare to rebuild and fortify their city, echoing with renewed resolve. They understand that while battles may be won, the true journey is just beginning, with endless possibilities unfolding before them. As the ninja embraces the unknown, they are swept into a whirlwind of time, leaving behind a legacy of resilience and courage. In Kingston, King Cartel watches the dawn of a new era unfold, where dreams merge with reality and the spirit of the people shapes the city's future. This moment marks not just an ending, but the beginning of countless stories waiting to be told. As the ninja steps into this vibrant, futuristic world, They realize that their journey is intertwined with the fate of many, each moment filled with new possibilities. In Kingston, King Cartel ignites a spark of creativity, empowering the next generation to dream big and reclaim their narrative. Together they forge a path toward a thriving future, where unity and innovation reign supreme. As the ninja adapts to the wonders of this advanced city, they uncover the secrets of mind-wave energy, realizing its potential to unite people across dimensions. Meanwhile, in Kingston, King Cartel nurtures the roots of his community as hearts and hands work together to create a flourishing environment where hope and ambition take root, proving that greatness stems from unity. From this high vantage point, the ninja understands that their mission is to bridge worlds using mind-wave energy to inspire collaboration and understanding. As the vibrant festival unfolds in Kingston, King Cartel leads with passion, reminding everyone that when communities stand united, they can overcome any challenge, celebrating their rich culture while forging new paths toward tomorrow.